Dude, I am totally creeping on my UPS driver. Let me see what I got. Norman, shut up. Be quiet. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Dude, be quiet. Let's see what I got. Oh. Ooh. Norman, be quiet. All right. Dude, stop. Let's, before I open this up, let's go outside real quick. We'll open it up out there. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I got some parts for the Integra, and let's just get right into it. So this is a package I got today, or that you guys saw the UPS driver drop off. Back from Drag Cartel, and I'm just gonna kind of open it up. Camera real quick. Show you guys what I got. This here is a look at that. I think it looks nice. So right here we have a Drag Cartel scatter shield. This is required on vehicles. I can't remember exactly like how fast. You're supposed to be. It's like like 11 and faster. So any vehicles running 11 faster have to have these at the track. This is a SPI approved scatter shield. What this does basically is just kind of goes around the bell housing of the transmission in the event that a flywheel comes off or a gear explodes and tries to exit the bell housing. So this is what they make you put on your vehicle. And like I said, this is from Drag Cartel. Super, super nice piece. Really pretty. Yeah, let's take it out to the car. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start off by removing this charge pipe here, and that way it just kind of gives me more room to work, and then I'll move some of these vacuum lights and stuff out of the way. We'll go ahead and throw this sucker on there. Like I said, it's a super nice piece. It's really pretty, you know, it's black powder coated, so it'll match everything. If anything, I think it'll look pretty cool down in there, especially when you see the Drag Cartel and stuff on the front, so it's pretty neat. So we'll go ahead and bust this charge pipe off, get it loose, and at least get that stuff out of the way. Can't remember what size it is. What the heck do I have inside my socket? Some freaking dirt. Oh, that one's a 10. Two different style clamps on here. So it's kind of annoying, but I believe this one here is a that one is an 11. I guess I really didn't even need to remove that second clamp. Just gonna go ahead and tighten that other one back up because it really didn't need to be loosened. Set that out of the way. Move these lines over here. Having an issue with is I'm actually hitting my water coolant pipe, which is this black pipe here, and it kind of swings down and runs into the water pump. You see, I can almost get the bracket lined up where this bracket just bolts to that bell housing bolt right here. I don't know if you can see it, it's kind of a bad angle. But then these two bolts just bolt to the bell housing bolts up here on the top of the motor, which it seems like I can get to those just fine. I'm just really hitting this coolant pipe right here. And I loosened up the bracket bolts and I can't bend it up high enough to where I can actually swivel this bracket up into the way. So I'm going to keep trying to mess with that and see if I can get it to work. Alright, so I kind of came up with a solution for the problem that I was running into with the coolant pipe. What I'm going to end up doing is I'm just going to disconnect this heater hose here from the pipe itself. I'm going to pull the pipe out, which is it fits into the housing right there. I'm just going to pull it out. I'm going to take it, I'm going to chop it, and then I'm going to go to the store and get some actual hose and then run hose myself after I get the scatter shield in. Because this metal pipe, I can't really flex it to move it around the scatter shield, but I know if I go get a rubber hose, I'll be able to mess with it. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to take it out and we'll get this thing fixed up. Alright guys, so I got the scatter shield all in. Can't even really see it. See here. There we go, now you can kind of see it. Like I said, it just kind of goes over these two bolts to the top of the housing and then goes to these two bolts here. So now I got a scatter shield that runs all the way around the transmission. I just got to put that bolt in right there. Just got to put that last bolt in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the parts store and I'm going to go get some heater hose. I'm basically just going to route the heater hose up and behind this bracket and back through and then into this hose here, kind of like how it was. Hopefully my wastegate clears. I don't know. We'll see. If anything, I'll just probably have to trim this to fit my wastegate. Probably just have to cut it like that. I don't know yet. We'll see. So I'm going to go to the store. I'm going to go pick that stuff up, and I'll be right back.
Right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we about to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey.
Kind of something like that. Alright guys, so I got the water pipe somewhat connected. If you look here, I'm try to take you guys inside the car here. So this water pipe, I got it in there now. Comes up over underneath the plate there. I'm going to go ahead and put that bolt. I need to put the bolt right in that bracket to tighten it. But it does come out and it does 90. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just take it here. I'm going to cut this to length, obviously. I'm going to leave it this long, but it actually fits right behind this little ear here. It actually fits perfect right there, and I can just pass it through. Pull her tight. I am dedicated to keeping this heater. Do not want to get rid of it. Come on, baby. There we go. And boom. So now I got the hose back here. Now I can undo this. Now I'll just go ahead. I'll cut the other hose here, and then I'll get another piece of pipe. We'll put the other piece of pipe between this hose and that hose, connect them together, and that'll be done. Heater hoses are connected. Then I can put coolant back in, and we'll be done with the plate install. Alright guys, so I did get the scatter shield all installed. I'm just going to leave it kind of how it is right now. I did get the bolt in there, so I got the water pipe in there and everything. And then I got my heater hose that I had to redo, runs up underneath it. And yeah. So I think it came out pretty decent. I mean, this is how the heater hose is going to have to run. And it came out all right. You know, it's not the cleanest job in the world, but hey, it's going to work. I kind of got everything all messy anyways because I have my turbo and stuff taken out. I have my exhaust manifold into a shop right now, which that'll be a whole different video. As far as fitment on this, you know, I would give it an 8 out of 10 because it did bolt right up, but then it also never said in the instructions or anywhere on their website that you'd have to modify the water pipe in order for it to fit. So other than that, though, it's a pretty decent product. It's really solid. It did fit really good. I didn't have to mess with any of the bracketry or anything. It bolted right up, so can't really be too upset about that. With that being said, guys, that's going to pretty much conclude it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up for today, put my toolbox and everything inside. And yeah, so I got another video coming up, which I'll show you guys the exhaust manifold and stuff whenever I get it back from the shop. Should be later this week. I did go to Acura and get some other parts to replace these windshield seals here because these things are like clapped out. And it's just terrible. I mean, if you look... I mean, my seal and everything's just all, it's just trash, dude. It's just all crap, you know? So, and it's all lifting. Anyways, I went to Acura and got some new one of those. So that'll be another video. Show you guys how to install those if you're curious. Anyways, that's going to do it for the bracket. Kind of give you guys once over real quick. Just like I said, it kind of comes up. Goes up and around the transmission. Give you a shot of it underneath the car. Clears the slave and everything really nice. Really, really nice. I mean, it's really solid. So, yeah. Like I said, guys, I really appreciate y'all watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And I do want to say thank you to everybody that has subscribed to my channel. I am getting close to 90 subscribers, so that is freaking awesome. Once again, if you like what you saw, make sure you drop that like. And if you have any questions or concerns or anything of what I've did, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe for more content. So once again, appreciate y'all watching. We'll freaking see y'all later.